Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I'm going to explain how to set up and run Python in Microsoft Visual Studio. So let's start. So first of all, make sure that Python is already installed on your Windows system. To check whether the Python is installed or not, open your command prompt. Once you open your command prompt, then type a command Python, and over here you can see Python 3.10.4, which is a version of the Python which is already installed on my system. So once Python is installed on your Windows system, now open your Visual Studio installer. Once you open your Visual Studio installer, then go to Modify. Once you redirect it to Modify option, over here you can see the option Python Development. So which supports editing, debugging, and interactive development and source control for Python. So select the checkbox and click on Modify. Now wait for some time. It will automatically download and install Python development component for the Visual Studio. And over here you can see we have successfully installed Python component for Visual Studio. Now close this window. Now open your Microsoft Visual Studio. So in my case, I want to open a local folder where I have Python script or code. So click on open local folder, then go to the path and select your folder. So now this is the folder called as Python demo. Now I'm selecting this folder. So once you select that folder, it will automatically open in Microsoft Visual Studio. And over here you can see demo.py. So this is my demo Python script. Now I want to run this Python script or code inside the Visual Studio. So to run this Python script in Visual Studio, right click on this script and set it as a startup item. So once you set it as a startup item, over here you can see the small arrow, click on that arrow, and over here you can see the output of the Python code. So in this way, you can run your Python script or code inside Microsoft Visual Studio. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.